Alright, let's talk about the thing that unites all tech geeks and meme lords in 2025: fast charging. Yeah, you heard me. Fast charging isn't just a spec on the back of your phone box anymore, it's basically the new flex. Forget abs, show me your charger's wattage. So, it's 2025. If your phone isn't at 100% before you finish tying your shoes, is it even a smartphone? I mean, I remember the dark ages, circa 2019, when a fast charger meant praying to the battery gods and hoping for 20% in half an hour. Now, 30 seconds and you're basically on full blast. But what's actually changing this year? First up, USB-C is king. Apple, Samsung, that random phone company your cousin loves, they've all surrendered. One cable to rule them all. If you still have a micro USB cable, congratulations, it's now vintage. Now, let's talk numbers. We're seeing chargers at 200, even 300 watts. That's not a charger, that's a home appliance. I plugged one in and my coffee started brewing. Okay, not really, but you get the point. But here's the wildest update: AI-powered charging. Your phone now knows your habits better than your therapist. Late night scrolling? It'll slow down the charge so your battery lasts longer. In a rush? Boom! Instant juice, thank you algorithms. And for the meme fans, yes, your phone still gets a little toasty. But companies are rolling out vapor chamber cooling, graphene batteries, and all kinds of science that sounds like Iron Man built it. So if your charger ever doubles as a hand warmer, just remember, it's not a bug, it's a feature. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. With all this power, our battery's gonna explode. Not unless you try to charge your phone with a car battery. Today's chargers are smarter, safer, and a lot more chill than the memes would have you believe. So what's next? Wireless fast charging is finally less slow as molasses, and more did you just blink. Imagine tossing your phone on a pad and picking it up in 5 minutes, all juiced up. The future is here, and it's charging faster than my willpower at a tech conference buffet. That's it for the 2025 fast charging glow up. Hit like if you've ever panic charged before a night out. Subscribe for more tech trends, and remember, never trust a phone that's always at 1%.